Hello everyone, I got this dog on the street and I heard his name is Puntu, and this dog is roaming here since last I think 2 weeks, and this dog is looks so beautiful, but the lack of care and treatment. See, his fur was totally damaged, and if somebody wants to adopt this dog, please contact to my YouTube channel, and I hope this dog will give you so much happiness. Puntu, la, see, Puntu, ah, see, this dog is so friendly, so nice, and I just love this dog. But I have already two, so I cannot pick this up. And let's see, in future if someone call me, then I will give this dog to anyone who supposed to adopt this dog. Please call me. Thank you.